In today's video, I'm going to show you a review of Lumenate, a mobile app designed to guide you into altered states of consciousness using nothing more than your phone's flashlight. No substances are involved, just carefully designed strobing light patterns intended to help you relax, spark creativity, and explore your mind in a meditation-like or even psychedelic way. It sounds fascinating, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, one of the best things about Luminate is its availability on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. While that might seem minor, it's actually a strong sign that the app has passed serious quality and security checks, something scammy apps usually can't maintain. Another plus is that the company behind Luminate provides real contact details, including an email, phone number, and physical address, which boosts its credibility. On top of that, they're active on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, so they're not hiding behind a digital wall. Now, looking at user feedback, reviews are a bit mixed. Many users describe powerful positive experiences, relaxation, enhanced focus, and even calling it the best meditation tool they've ever tried. On the flip side, there are concerning reports of possible side effects. A few users mentioned seizures, a brain hemorrhage, and even injuries like fractured bones that may have been linked to reactions caused by the intense flashing lights. While it's not fully confirmed that Luminate directly caused these issues, it's definitely something to approach with caution, especially if you have medical conditions sensitive to strobe effects. Overall, Luminate seems like a legitimate and innovative app that offers a unique way to relax or explore consciousness. But it's not for everyone. If you decide to try it, use it carefully and consult your doctor if you have any health concerns. Thank you for watching this video.